Big breaking story coming in right now. Priyanka Gandhi has been detained by the Delhi police. There are some other Congress leaders also who have been detained by the Delhi police. This is of course coming in after the cops have denied permission for a march to Rashtrapati Bhavan. In fact, we just broke the story as well as to how Rahul Gandhi is already meeting the President Ramnath Kovind to register protest against the farm laws. Priyanka exclusively spoke to India Today. She told India Today that there is injustice that is being done against the farmers. She says that branding them as anti-nationals is a sin. That's the latest breaking news coming in. Priyanka Gandhi even spoke a little while back to India Today's Maushami Singh. She has been detained after the cops denied permission for the march. Remember, the Congress was upping the ante against the centre as far as the farm laws are concerned. And now the big news coming in is that Priyanka, along with the Congress leaders and certain Congress leaders, have been detained by the Delhi police. This is coming in after the cops have denied permission for a march to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rahul Gandhi is already meeting President Ramnath Kovind. Rahul Gandhi is meeting the President to register a protest against the farm laws. Priyanka has also told India Today exclusively that there is injustice that is being done against the farmers by branding them anti-nationals, and that itself is a sin. She says it is a sin to brand the farmers as anti-nationals. She and her brother Rahul Gandhi standing behind the farmers. Rahul Gandhi is meeting the President as we speak, but at the moment the Delhi police has cited the pandemic as a reason for imposing Section 144 and denying permission for this particular march. And after the permission was denied, Priyanka Gandhi got detained by the Delhi police. Priyanka Gandhi maintaining that she stands with the farmers. And that was the reaction that we were getting in on our channel exclusively a while back of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well. In fact, let's just listen in to what she told my colleague Maushami Singh exclusively. Listen in.
हमारे नेता जो हमारे सांसद हैं, राष्ट्रपति जी को 2 करोड़ किसानों के सिग्नेचर देने जा रहे थे, उनके हस्ताक्षर देने जा रहे थे, जो इस कानून के खिलाफ है। वही बात थी बस।
आज किसान सड़क पर है, पर लगातार सरकार ने बोल दिया कानून किसानों के हित में है, उनको बरगलाया जा रहा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी बरगला रही है।
किसानों को कोई बरगला नहीं सकता। बहुत समझ है उनमें, बहुत विवेक है। अगर आज वे बॉर्डर पे बैठे हैं 1 महीने से इस ठंड में तमाम संघर्ष को झेल कर, तो ये जाहिर है कि उनको दुख है कि ये उनका संघर्ष है। इसका राजनीतिकरण कोई नहीं कर रहा है। ये हम एक राजनीतिक दल है, उनका समर्थन करने की हमें पूरा हक है। पूरा हक
है क्या खालिस्तानी है किसान? इस तरह के आरोप बीजेपी के नेता भी और तमाम नेता लगा रहे हैं।
देखिए 6 सालों से जो भी इनके खिलाफ बोलता है, जो भी अपने लिए खड़ा होता है, उसको ये कुछ ना कुछ बोलते हैं, इस तरह का कोई नाम दे देते हैं। असलियत ये है, किसान इस देश का अन्नदाता है, इस देश का हृदय है। अगर वो बैठा है उसका आदर होना चाहिए, उसकी इज्जत होनी चाहिए, उससे बात की जानी चाहिए, उसकी आवाज सुनी जानी चाहिए। और इस तरह के नाम जो आपने उनके लिए उपयोग किए अभी, ये एक पाप है। ये कहूंगी कि सरकार जनता की आवाज से डर लगता है, भय है, इसीलिए जब आवाज उठती है तो उनका ऐसा व्यवहार होता है।
That's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra right there. You can hear sloganeering by the Congress Party workers of Priyanka Gandhi Zindabad right behind her. She's been detained by the Delhi police. The cops have denied her march and at the moment we're getting these live visuals that are coming in from the national capital. No permission given to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra for the rally. She goes on to show how she's standing by with the farmers. Priyanka Gandhi has told India Today that she stands by the farmers and it is a sin to call them anti-national. She's gone ahead and slammed the central government as well. Rahul Gandhi, in the meanwhile, is at the moment at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. He's in a meeting with President Ramnath Kovind. He has gone to formally register protest against the farm laws. Priyanka Gandhi, in fact, just told India today as to how there is a grave amount of injustice that is being done against the farmers, and branding them as anti-nationals is a sin. Priyanka Gandhi has been detained by the police in Delhi. Some other Congress leaders also, from what we are picking up, have been detained by the Delhi police after the Delhi police has denied permission for this particular march to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Anand Patel is joining us for the very latest. Anand, if you could just encapsulate what is going on. Congress upping the ante against the centre as far as the farm laws are concerned. Priyanka Gandhi been detained by the Delhi police, and what I believe, and from what the news coming in, is that there are some other Congress leaders who have been detained by the Delhi police, and Rahul Gandhi is having a chat with the President Ramnath Kovind. All right,